Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
So lifers, we are finna do a video like y'all never would have thought y'all seen me do. Okay. Everybody's probably saying here and there in the videos my little tractor. Well, I finally figured out what model it is. It's a 1978, almost as old as I am. It's a Shibaura SD1540B. Well, I got a new tire, and got a tire fixed, and was ready to go to work. But then the hydraulics were weak. To check the hydraulics, it had a plastic cap. Well, it disintegrated when we tried to take it off. And for 3 weeks, I've looked and tried to order and everything else. Sorry about the noise in the background. Neighbors building a driveway. It sounds like we're on a construction complex and the highway's close. We've looked and looked. Well, I gave up. I've got something new I'm finna try. If it works, then we're gonna get under it, drain the hydraulic fluid, and take the hydraulic filter out and clean it. Because the hydraulics are nasty. They definitely need clean. And the filter definitely needs clean. Probably hadn't been done since 1978. I'll show you the cap. It's the same cap on the transmission. I'll show it to y'all just in case some of y'all lifers know where to get it. I promise you I don't. The sun's not the greatest, but that's the cap. It should go like that. We've already broke that one too, trying to check transmission fluid. Alright, well, let's see if my idea. A lot of y'all know I fish, so a lot of my ideas come from fishing. It's a boat drain plug. Now, like some big piece of heavy equipment, I wouldn't think this would work, but it was just a plastic cap anyway, so maybe this will hold the pressure if it builds any pressure. We're finna see if it'll fit, because I've put 1,000,000 things in there that wouldn't fit so far. Try to do this one-handed, it goes right here. Y'all hear that? They dumping. Alright. It's going down in there. See if we can tighten it up where I can't pull it back out, and then I'm not gonna worry about it. That's pretty snug in there, y'all. That ought to keep it in and keep water out. I might put a little bead of silicone around it just to make sure water don't get in it. If it works, like I say, if y'all know anything about this tractor, know where to get parts for it. It's a 1978 Shibaura SD1540B. 4-wheel drive, like a 22 horsepower. It's itty bitty, but it'll do some work. Now, I think that's a hydraulic filter right there. I hope. Got hydraulic coming in and out, so I hope it is. I hope you just take that bolt loose right there and it pulls right out. But nothing's been that easy, so I'm gonna bring y'all along on the journey. I I'm doing things probably backwards, but I want to try to get this filter off first. I think everything's left-handed, and you know I'm right-handed. It's going to be a pain in the butt. I need a deep well 17, I don't have that. I don't know if y'all can see Jack Doodah either. Just got off the phone with Rob. He was wanting to go fishing, but hell, it's so windy. I don't know if I'm gonna fish this weekend or not. So far behind on the garden. Got that off. Let's see if we can figure out something past that. Alright, I'll bring y'all back when I figure something out. Alright, I got the filter housing and moving. I wanted to show y'all that. It's right there. See if it's coming off. I don't see. Can't tell. Yeah, it's coming off. Alright, we're gonna see. It's probably backwards doing it the way I'm doing it. But I want to see how bad the filter looks. How bad the fluid actually looks before I go to draining everything. Alright, I'll bring y'all back here in a minute. Okay. Now, I don't know if y'all can see down in there or not. That's definitely the filter. Got a spring on top. It looks like it might be a paper filter. If it is, I might be able to take it to get a Wix filter for it, maybe. I'm finna try to figure out how to pull it off. I don't know if y'all can see it down in there. I found the drain plug. Thank you, Lou. I needed the help. He looked at a blow up of the tractor while I was laying on my back underneath it. We finna get it drained and put back together. Alright, that's the filter. I'm finna put, y'all like my cleaning tray I built? That's a antifreeze jug. I cleaned out. I'm finna put some diesel in there and let it soak for a little bit. I've got it drained, or draining still. Get this put back together, get the plug put back in, fill it up, and we'll be done with this little video. Let's say it's a Shibaura SD1540B. It's gonna be the death of me, people. It's a 1978 model. It's almost old as I am. It's a good tractor. It is a good little tractor. Alright, lifers, I hope I gave y'all a little instruction on there. If you got any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I'll try to help. I decided to fill it back up with Mountain Dew. Okay, that's the only funnel I got that'll get in there. I'm finna try to dump it out of a 5-gallon bucket into that, and I'll be through. Got everything else drained, sealed back up. We're ready to go. Hope y'all enjoyed this. It's short, it's cringy, it's everything I do. Short and cringy. That's me. Hope y'all can even see me. I'm a little winded. I've been doing some other stuff in between doing this, and I'm gonna get to dump the fluid in it. I'll probably come back and tell you how it worked, if it fixed it. I hope it did. Clean the filter with diesel. I forgot to record that. Hope I got some of it on video, but I don't think I did. Oh well. Just poured it in diesel, let it soak for an hour or so, and wiped it off, and cleaned anything big that was still in it out. Way cleaner than it was. Because it had a ring of crud about that tall on the bottom of the filter. I got all that out. I'm probably gonna run it for a little while drain it and clean the filter again probably the end of the summer, which no more not, but I will be on it a lot. But if it starts acting up again, I'll do it quicker. I love y'all. I appreciate everything y'all do for me. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the shares. And like I say, do all that. Like, share, subscribe. Gonna be a lot more farm vlogs. Be a lot less fishing. Some of y'all be happy about that. Trying to beat this rainstorm. I ain't even calling for none, but man, there's some thunderheads building. Get it all put back together, see how it works. Y'all made it this far in this crazy little video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm gone.